If you're not a pumpkin lover, this recipe is for you. Give it a try and you will love it. The combination of butternut squash, brie cheese, walnuts and honey is just perfect. It's worth trying this. Just look at this. Very nice. Please leave a like and follow me for more nice recipes. Slice the pumpkin, clean and peel. Share this video with your friends if you want to support my activity. Thank you. In a pan, add a piece of butter. Fry your pumpkin slice on both sides until they turn brown. Use a low heat. Then transfer the slices into a tray. Add 2 slices of brie cheese, walnuts and rosemary and some oil. Put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15-20 minutes. Add some honey and love your life.